This is the solution of worksheet 4, simple interest. So in this, the first question is, you can see the first question in your worksheet. Then here, it is given that John has the yearly income less than rupees 60 because he invested, that is, in the first case, the interest rate was 4%, and he invested, then he got some interest, and then when the simple interest is reduced and it becomes 3 and 3.4%, then his income became by rupees 60 less. So first, suppose the principal is rupees x in this case, and then p equal to rupees x and time is equal to 1 year, and previous rate of interest is 4%. So and the rate of interest, that is the new rate of interest, will be R2 equal to 3 and 3.4%, that is this, and then find the interest in the first case, that is p into 4 into 1 by 100, that is 4p by 100, and the new interest is equal to this much, that is p into, because in both cases the principal is same here in this case. So actually I supposed x, then I should write here that x here. So it will be x here. So x. Then here in this case we will get x equal to that is 4x by 100, and in the new case it will be 15x by 400, and we are given that this minus this is equal to 60 rupees because the interest in the first case was bigger than interest in the second case, that is why this minus this is equal to 60, and after solving x equal to rupees 24,000, that is, this is the principal which was for John. So this is what we will find in this question. Number 2 is, in this case, if the rate of if the interest of a principal in 10 years, that is interest, in this case we are given that interest, suppose the principal is rupees x, then interest will be equal to 2 by 5x, it is given, that is after 10 years the interest will be 2 by 5x. So and time is 10 years here, then find the rate of interest. R is equal to SI into 100 by P into T. So 2 by 5x, this is x into 100 by x into 10. So after solving, answer is 4% per annum. Question number 3, find the principal of which the monthly interest is rupees 1. So in this case the monthly interest is rupees 1, then yearly interest will be equal to rupees 12 and R equal to 5%. Here because this I am using rate equal to 5% per annum, so you must have the interest yearly, and if you suppose if you want to use the monthly interest rupees 1, then you must convert R into, that is R equal to 5% per annum to R, that is some percent in 1 month actually. So here you must be careful in this, that is the interest here because we are given the monthly interest rupees 1, so I converted them into yearly interest. This is 12 rupees because the rate is given 5% per annum, that is why these two must be same here. You can say that the time period for both must be equal, and if they are not equal then your answer will be wrong. So then P equal to SI into 100 by R into T, then after solving and putting the values, answer is 240 rupees. And the next is question number 4. In this question again you are given the principal is given this, and for this principal the interest for 1 day is 5 paise. So interest, again see here that the interest for 1 day is 5 paise. So I have found the interest in 1 year. So interest in 1 year will be equal to 5 paise into 365, that is 73 by 4 rupees. This is the interest in 1 year. So this is the interest in 1 year, and time equal to 1 year, then R equal to putting all the values, and then answer will be 6.4% per annum. This answer will be per annum, and so this is the answer. The next question is number 5. Number 5, in this we have to find the rate of interest, and the ratio of the principal and the interest is 1:1. So here you can suppose that the principal is x and the simple interest is also x, because principal is 2, SI is 1:1. So and time is 20 years, then are equal to, after putting the values, you will get 5% per annum. And the last number is number 6. Find the interest of rupees 300 from the 3rd March to 15th May. Here, the principal is 300 rupees and the time equal to 28 days in March and 30 days in April and 15 days in May. So adding all these days, we will have 73 days here. So answer will be 1/5 years after converting, and then R equal to 6%, then SI equal to, after putting all the values, you will get 3.60 rupees. So this is the simple interest on rupees 300 for 73 days. So this is the answer. So this is the solution of this chapter, this worksheet. Okay.